In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an ownership transfer in Google Drive. If you've started to transfer ownership of a file and changed your mind, there's a short window to stop it before the other person accepts. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for, plus a few tips so nothing gets lost along the way. First, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. In the top right, click the grid icon, also known as the Google Apps Launcher. From that panel, choose Drive. This takes you straight into your Google Drive, where all your files live. Next, locate the file where you initiated the ownership transfer. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar at the top to find it by name. When you see the file, move your cursor over it and click the three vertical dots to open the More Actions menu. This is where you'll find the key sharing controls you need. Hover your mouse over Share in that menu, then click Share to open the sharing window. This is the same place where you originally changed ownership, and it's where you'll cancel the pending transfer. Inside the sharing window, look for the Access drop-down. This might appear next to the person you attempted to make the new owner, or in the upper area of the dialog depending on your view. Click the Access drop-down to reveal more options. Here, you should see Cancel Ownership Transfer. Go ahead and click that. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Click Cancel Transfer to finalize it. Once you confirm, the pending transfer is stopped, and you remain the owner of the file. That's it. The action is immediate. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Cancel Ownership Transfer option, there are a few likely reasons. The most common is that the other person has already accepted the transfer, in which case you can't reverse it from here. You would need them to transfer ownership back to you. Another possibility is that you're not signed into the correct Google account, so double-check the account switcher in the top right corner. Occasionally, organizational settings in a work or school account can also affect ownership controls. So if this is a managed account, your admin's policies may apply. After canceling, it's a good idea to reopen the share window and verify that you're still listed as the owner and that permissions look the way you expect. With that, you've successfully canceled an ownership transfer in Google Drive.